Crash Course on Italian Culture. An exploration of traditional Italian culture, including art, music, theater, and cuisine. Italian culture is renowned around the world for its beauty, passion, and creativity. From the art and architecture of ancient Rome to the culinary delights of modern Italy, Italian culture has left an indelible mark on the world. In this crash course, we will explore some of the most significant aspects of Italian culture, including art, music, theater, and cuisine. Art. Italian art has been a driving force in Western art for centuries. The Renaissance, which began in Italy in the 14th century, was a period of unparalleled artistic achievement. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Raphael created some of the most famous and enduring works of art in history. The Sistine Chapel, with its breathtaking ceiling painted by Michelangelo, is just one example of the incredible art found in Italy. Music. Italian music is diverse and encompasses a wide range of styles, from classical opera to modern pop. Some of the most famous composers in history, such as Giuseppe Verdi and Gioacchino Rossini, were Italian. Italian opera is still considered the epitome of the genre, with famous works like Puccini's La Bohème and Verdi's Aida performed around the world. Theater. Theater has a long and rich history in Italy. From the ancient Roman theaters to the Commedia dell'arte of the Renaissance, Italian theater has always been a popular and influential art form. Today, Italian theater continues to thrive, with companies performing everything from classical plays to experimental theater. Cuisine. Italian cuisine is beloved around the world, with its rich flavors and fresh ingredients. From pizza and pasta to gelato and espresso, Italian food is both comforting and delicious. Each region of Italy has its own unique culinary traditions, from the hearty meat dishes of Tuscany to the seafood specialties of the coastal regions. Fashion. Italy is also known for its fashion industry, which has produced some of the world's most famous designers, such as Giorgio Armani, Prada, and Gucci. Milan, in particular, is considered a fashion capital of the world, hosting prestigious fashion shows like Milan Fashion Week. Literature. Italian literature has a rich history, with famous authors such as Dante Alighieri, Petrarch, and Boccaccio. Dante's Divine Comedy is considered one of the greatest works of literature in history, and Italian literature continues to be influential around the world. Architecture. Italian architecture is a testament to the country's long and complex history. From the ancient Roman ruins to the Renaissance palaces and Baroque churches, Italian architecture is breathtakingly beautiful and diverse. The famous Leaning Tower of Pisa is just one example of Italy's incredible architectural legacy. Sports. Italy is passionate about sports, particularly soccer, or calcio as it is known in Italy. The Italian national soccer team has won 4 World Cup titles, and Italian soccer clubs like Juventus, AC Milan, and Inter Milan are some of the most successful and popular in the world. Film. Italian cinema has produced some of the most iconic films in history, from Federico Fellini's La Dolce Vita, to Sergio Leone's The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. Italian filmmakers continue to be influential in the film industry, with directors like Paolo Sorrentino and Matteo Garrone gaining international acclaim. Wine. Italy is known for its incredible wine, with some of the world's most famous wine regions, such as Tuscany and Piedmont. Italian wines like Chianti, Barolo, and Prosecco are beloved around the world, and Italian winemakers are known for their dedication to quality and tradition. Coffee. Italian coffee culture is famous around the world, with espresso being the most popular coffee drink in Italy. Interesting stories and examples. One interesting aspect of Italian culture is the strong regional identities that exist throughout the country. Each region has its own unique cuisine, traditions, and dialects. For example, the cuisine of Emilia-Romagna, in northern Italy, is known for its rich pasta dishes like tortellini and lasagna, while the cuisine of Sicily, in southern Italy, is known for its seafood dishes like pasta con le sarde, pasta with sardines. These regional identities are an important part of Italian culture and contribute to the country's rich and diverse heritage. Another example of Italian culture's enduring influence can be seen in the world of fashion. Italian designers have long been at the forefront of the fashion industry, creating iconic designs and shaping trends around the world. One example of this is the famous little black dress, which was popularized by Italian designer Coco Chanel in the 1920s and remains a staple of women's fashion to this day. Top 12 Italian culture, impacting the world. 1. The Renaissance. The Renaissance, which began in Italy in the 14th century, was a period of unprecedented artistic and intellectual achievement that had a profound impact on Western civilization. 2. Opera. Italian opera, with its soaring arias and dramatic storylines, has captivated audiences around the world for centuries. 3. Pizza. Pizza, which originated in Naples in the 18th century, has become one of the most popular foods in the world. 4. Fashion. Italian designers like Giorgio Armani, Prada, and Gucci have had a major impact on the fashion industry, creating iconic designs and shaping trends for decades. 5. Leonardo da Vinci. The genius of Leonardo da Vinci, with his incredible paintings, inventions, and scientific discoveries, continues to inspire and fascinate people around the world. 6. Gelato. Italian gelato, with its creamy texture and intense flavors, is widely considered to be the best ice cream in the world. 7. The Colosseum. The ancient Roman Colosseum is one of the most iconic and recognizable landmarks in the world, a testament to the enduring legacy of the Roman Empire. 8. Ferrari. Italian carmaker Ferrari is known for producing some of the most beautiful and powerful sports cars in the world. 9. Espresso. Italian espresso, with its strong flavor and rich crema, is a staple of coffee culture around the world. 10. The Vatican. The Vatican, the spiritual center of the Roman Catholic Church, is home to some of the world's most stunning works of art and architecture. 11. The Sistine Chapel. The Sistine Chapel, with its breathtaking ceiling painted by Michelangelo, is one of the greatest artistic achievements in history. 12. Italian wine. Italian wines like Chianti, Barolo, and Prosecco are beloved around the world, and Italian winemakers are known for their dedication to quality and tradition. In summary, Italian culture is a rich and diverse tapestry of art, music, theater, cuisine, fashion, literature, architecture, sports, film, wine, and coffee. From the ancient Roman ruins to the cutting-edge fashion designs of Milan, Italian culture has had a profound impact on the world. The strong regional identities that exist throughout Italy, as well as the country's incredible artistic and culinary traditions, continue to fascinate and inspire people around the world. Here is a poem on Italy. Italy, oh Italy! Your culture so sublime. From ancient ruins to modern art, you stand the test of time. Your cuisine, rich and flavorful, is known the world around. From pizza to pasta to gelato, your flavors know no bounds. Your music, opera soaring, is the sound of the divine. With composers like Verdi and Rossini, your legacy will forever shine. Your fashion, oh so stylish. From Milan to Rome to Florence, designers like Armani and Gucci have made you the epitome of elegance. Your art, a true masterpiece. From the Renaissance to modern day, with painters like Da Vinci and Michelangelo, you continue to take our breath away. Your wine, a true delight. From Chianti to Barolo to Prosecco, your winemakers craft the finest blends. With each sip, we feel like we're in the heart of Tuscany. Your culture, so unique. From the Colosseum to the Vatican, you hold the world in awe. A true testament to your greatness. Italy, oh Italy! Your culture is a true treasure. We will always admire and cherish your beauty, your passion, your pleasure. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.